Welcome to Platoon 3039. My name is Richard Leisure. Today, we're going to do an application of transitioning military skills into civilian application. This is filmed at the West Los Angeles VA. This is in the plumbing department. Today, we're going to clean what they call dies. These are components, the presses, the tappers. Remember, if you take care of your equipment, take care of you. So what we're going to do, we're really going to clean these real good. You can see this one here has been cleaned. Today, we're going to clean this one to the best of our ability. So we'll start on the back side. See? Well, I'm cleaning the die, and this goes into the these machines right here. Let's show the. Okay, this die, what they do, they go in here. These usually fit into this machine right here. So you can change these out right here. So in keeping with the Marine Corps, that's why it's called Platoon 3039. I was at Parris Island, South Carolina back in 1979. I have my Marine Corps basic instructions there. So the addicts, we used to sit around on the weekends and clean a lot of M16s under the watchful eye of the drill instructor. So now, in the civilian world, we're going to clean all the parts of our tools, because that's the good addicts. You keep your equipment clean and serviceable. So, back to the program. Right there. You can see I use bigger scrubbing actions there. This has like a 20-year accumulation of oil and solvents on it. That's why we have the suit on, protective gloves. So what we do, we're just going to knock it down. The solvent we usually use has been outlawed. They have other solvent that's expensive. Right now we don't have any. So what we're going to do is just give it a basic scrub with the brush. You can see right here, it's pretty dirty. So, okay, you can't see, but you'll see me using this brush with a vigorous action to clean it. Start up here. That way you can see me better as I work. Alright. You see right down in here what we do. Get this as good as we can. Wipe it down. See that right there. What we want to do is just knock down the big heavy coating of oil right now. We'll have a little coffee. So, back in 1979, June, July, August, the hottest days ever on in Camp Parris Island, South Carolina, outside Beaufort. It was hot, a lot of humidity. And usually on Sundays, we cleaned our M16s. And for hours we'd sit there and clean them real good. The rigid parts are made. I'm from Columbus, Ohio. Well, I was born there, raised down there in Woodsfield, grew up in an orphanage in Xenia, Ohio. And the rigid tool company comes from Ohio, I think Elyria, Ohio. So they make good quality parts there. Well, that's there. This show, this little clip here, is showing the transfer of military skills into a civilian workforce and how it's always proper when you're in the trades to take care of your property and your equipment real good. Keep it clean, serviceable, because these are a big investment. All told, with all the equipment, here's like $27,000. That right there, that right there, and all these dies are real expensive. So, what we do, we got to make sure we got to take care of these, because these are an asset and a resource. That's why the attention to detail, because the civilians, the taxpayers of the United States of America, have entrusted us with this amount of equipment costing this amount of money. Therefore, I think as a, I'm not a government employee, I work temporarily here. I think it's incumbent upon the employees to treat the property with respect and keep it serviceable, because the taxpayers have entrusted us with this equipment to do jobs to support the veterans of the United States of America. That's what we do here at the VA in West Los Angeles. Hence, the motivation and the drive to keep this equipment clean and serviceable. Okay, we'll take a break right now. I think you can kind of get the idea. I've cleaned that part right there. You can see what I'm doing. It's just a vigorous brushing action. And we want to keep this nice and clean. We'll do a little bit more here for you, then we'll take a break. Okay? Need to get glasses. What we do, see, I did that part there. Now we're coming over here to get this. Some parts are harder to get, like down in here, we use this. You can probably hear the 405 right over that way. It's the 405 freeway. It stays busy all the time. One of the most heavily traveled freeways in the United States.